Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Patient Identifier. Patient Identifier is an easy way to confirm that the patient is who they say they are. The patient must be an existing data with a photo of them loaded onto their electronic file in order for the system to detect their facial features. From the diary screen, navigate to the tabs at the top of the screen. Click on the Patient Identifier tab on the navigation bar. The web page will ask permission to use the pre-set up camera. This is dependent on the user's camera settings. A pop-up will appear in the browser to ask permission to allow the use of the camera. If the user wishes to stop the system from using the camera, click on the block button. Please note that if the user blocks the camera, the Patient Identifier will not work. Click on Allow in order to grant permission for the camera to be used. We will now go over identifying a patient. The software will use its integrated facial recognition software to identify the patient. The user will need to have a webcam set up to use this feature. The Patient Identifier screen will open. Once the patient is successfully identified, the data details of that patient will open. We will go over all of the personal facts regarding the identified patient that will appear on the screen, which may be confirmed by the user. The following fields will be explained. The name of the patient is the name of the patient who has been identified. Patient file number is the number associated with the patient's hard copy file. Patient number is the number allocated to the patient by the system. Medical aid provider is the name of the medical aid provider that the patient belongs to. The medical aid option is the medical aid option that the patient is on. Medical aid number is the medical aid membership number. The data number is the account number for the person who is responsible for the account linked to the identified patient. Data name is the name of the person responsible for the payment of the account linked to the identified patient. Medical aid is the medical aid to which the patient belongs, which will be indicated in red. Data dependence is the patients for who the data is financially responsible. Click on the Data Edit button to open the Data Details screen to edit the data or patient's information. To view or update a patient's information, please refer to the Account Details Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on Account Details to see identified patients' previous accounts. For more information regarding account details, please refer to the Account Details Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on Make a Booking to make a booking for the identified patient. For a detailed explanation of how to book an existing patient, please refer to the Book Existing Patient User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on Make a Task to create a task regarding the identified patient. For more information on creating a task, please refer to the Task List Screen Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. Patient Outstanding is the amount that is outstanding for which the patient is liable for. Medical aid outstanding is the amount that is owed by the medical aid, which needs to be paid. Next, we will go over the list of bookings for patients. The current and upcoming appointments for the identified patient will be listed. Please note that past bookings will not be shown and the list is sorted from the first upcoming booking to the last booking. Click on Booked to Arrived to change the booking status as needed. To see how to set up booking statuses, please refer to the Advancing the Status of a Booking User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on Go to Booking on Diary to see the booking on the diary screen. Click on Close to exit the Patient Identifier screen.